everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Razr 2025. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and then click install. And now you have to click open, then click agree and continue, and here you can decide if you want to set this browser as your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click on now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.